Welcome back to the InfoFlux. In today's video, we are diving into an exciting DIV project, a laser-based alarm security system using an Arduino. It is simple, efficient, and perfect for learning the basic of sensors and automation. A laser security system using Arduino is a project that utilizes laser beam and an Arduino to create a basic security system. The system works by detecting interruption or breaking in the laser beam to trigger an alarm or perform other actions. So let's get started. We will require the following components for this project: Arduino board, laser module, LDR module, buzzer module, jumper wires, and breadboard. The 650 nanometer 6 mm 5 volt DC laser module is a specific type of laser module that operates at a wavelength of 650 nanometer and require a 5 volt direct power supply. The laser diode within the module operates based on the principle of stimulated emission. When a suitable current is applied, it excites electrons in the semiconductor material, causing them to emit photons. These photons bounce between mirrored surface within the diode, stimulating the emission of further photons and resulting in generation of a coherent laser beam of 650 nanometer. This module consists of 3 pins: VCC, ground, and signal pin. Connect the VCC pin of the LDR module with 5 volt of the Arduino. Connect the ground pin of the LDR module with ground pin of the Arduino. Connect the digital pin of the LDR module with digital pin 4 of the Arduino. Connect the VCC pin of the laser module with 5 volt of the Arduino. Connect the ground pin of the laser module with ground pin of the Arduino. Connect the digital pin of the laser module with digital pin 3 of the Arduino. Connect the VCC pin of the buzzer module with 5 volt of the Arduino. Connect the ground pin of the buzzer module with ground pin of the Arduino. Connect the digital pin of the buzzer module with digital pin 2 of the Arduino. When the laser beam is uninterrupted, the LDR detects steady light and the buzzer stays off. But watch what happens when I block the laser beam. If someone crosses the path of the laser, the light intensity received by the LDR changes, triggering an alarm. And that's how you built a laser based alarm security system using an LDR and Arduino. You can expand this project by adding features like an LED indicator, a wireless notification system, or even integrating it with a camera for enhanced security system. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the InfoFlux and hit the notification bell so you can never miss any update. Drop your questions and suggestions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.